Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something which sounds almost unbelievable, but I assure you it's possible. How to sell on Amazon without money. In this video, we're going to reveal the methods and strategies that allow beginner sellers and those looking to earn extra income to succeed on Amazon without investing a single cent. You really want to succeed on Amazon? Discover Helium 10, a complete set of smart tools to start and grow your business on Amazon. With a database of over 450 million products, you can find your first winning product today. Go to the Helium 10 website and get 20% off your first 6 months or 10% off per month. For more information, you can find a link to Helium 10 coupon codes in the description of this video. We'll catch up with you right after.
Dropshipping is a business method that does not require the purchase of products to sell, nor the constitution of a stock. To start, you must first choose a reliable supplier and select the products you want to sell. When you receive a new order on Amazon, you transfer the order information to your supplier, i.e. the reference of the product sold and the customer's contact information. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. This way, you don't need to invest in initial stock or manage shipments. For example, let's say you choose to sell smartphone accessories. You find a reliable supplier who offers these products at an attractive price. You list these accessories on Amazon and, as soon as a customer places an order, you pass the information on to your supplier, who ships the product to the customer. The difference between the purchase price from the supplier and the selling price on Amazon is your profit margin. Dropshipping has several advantages, including the ability to get started without any initial investment, the absence of inventory and shipping management, and the flexibility to test new products without any financial risk. The disadvantages of dropshipping are strong competition, dependence on suppliers, and unfortunately low profit margins due to strong price competition. The level of competition in dropshipping is quite high, and the difficulty can vary depending on the niche chosen. The time needed to set up this technique depends on how quickly you find a reliable supplier and create your product listings on the Amazon platform. This technique is suitable for both beginners and experienced sellers, as it requires little initial investment and allows you to become familiar with the sales process on Amazon.
Amazon affiliate marketing is also known as the affiliate marketing program. It is a method that allows sellers to promote products on their own website, blog, or social networks, and earn a commission on every sale made through their affiliate link. Thus, you don't need to buy or store the products, which you promote, you just share the affiliate links, and generate revenue through your audience. For example, let's say you have a blog about photography. You can join Amazon's partner program and promote cameras, lenses, and accessories related to photography by embedding affiliate links in your blog posts. When a visitor clicks on one of these links and makes a purchase, you receive a commission on the sale. Amazon affiliate marketing has several advantages, such as the ability to generate revenue without any upfront investment, the freedom to choose the products you want to promote, and the ease of implementation. The disadvantages of Amazon affiliate marketing are the dependence on traffic to your site or social networks, the need to create quality content to attract and retain an audience, and the fluctuation of commissions based on product categories. The level of competition in Amazon affiliate marketing can be high, especially in popular niches. The difficulty lies mainly in creating compelling content and generating traffic to your website, blog, or social networks. The time it takes to implement this technique will depend on your ability to create content and attract an audience. Amazon affiliate marketing is suitable for both beginners and experienced sellers, as it requires no initial investment and allows you to become familiar with Amazon's products and platform. However, it is important to have content creation and marketing skills to be successful in this field.
Print on demand, POD, is a sales method that allows sellers to sell customized products without having to buy inventory in advance. This method is available on Amazon's platform, which is called Merch by Amazon. To use this method, you will need to create designs or images for products such as t-shirts, mugs, bags, etc. Designs can be created using online design software or by downloading royalty-free images. You can then upload these designs to Amazon's platform, which prints them and ships them directly to the customer. The way print on demand works is simple. When a customer places an order for a custom product, Amazon prints the design on the product using special printers and ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to store the products or ship them yourself. Amazon takes care of everything. The POD method on Amazon's platform offers many advantages. First of all, it's an inexpensive way to create and sell custom products. You don't need to buy inventory in advance, so there's no risk of overstocking. Amazon also handles the printing, packaging, and shipping, so you can focus on creating designs. However, there are also drawbacks to using the POD method on Amazon. Competition on the platform is high, so it can be difficult to stand out. Creating quality designs can also be difficult and time-consuming. The level of competition on Amazon's platform is quite competitive, but there are niches to explore. It's important to find a niche that your target audience is interested in, and create quality designs to stand out. Creating designs can be difficult if you're not familiar with design tools, but there are free or inexpensive online tools you can use. Setting up print on demand on Amazon can take some time, as you have to create designs and upload them to the platform. However, once the designs are created, it's easy to upload and sell them. POD on Amazon is an accessible method of selling for beginners and experienced sellers. Beginners can start by creating simple designs to get familiar with creating custom products, while experienced sellers can explore more advanced niches and create more complex designs. It is important to note that to use this method, you will need to create a seller account on Amazon and follow the platform's rules.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about selling on Amazon. If you're here, you're determined to succeed on Amazon, and we're here to help. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and exclusive tips for growing your business on Amazon. With the right tools and strategy, the possibilities of making money on Amazon are endless. Check out the links to the best software such as Helium 10, AMZScout and AMZScout with their promo code in the video description. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment to submit a topic which could be the subject of a future video on selling on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like to encourage us. And finally, we have a new video that will interest you. Click on this video to discover even more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. See you soon on our channel.